Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 1st, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. And we're going to start off on the 1 hour time frame. So the Kiwi dollar had another nice entry to go long, another trend trade last night in the Asian session. And if you were just focused on going longs like I've been recommending for weeks, then you have probably seen a very significant increase in your trading account. Everybody is so concerned, especially retail traders, about going short that they end up missing all these beautiful trend trades. Going up to the daily time frame, I mean, we are pushing beyond the 61% strong. I personally think this is a wave one, a wave two. I think we're in a wave three. I think we're going to go up and take out these highs potentially before we see any real significant pullbacks. There will be some pullbacks on shorter time frames, but overall, I think that we are in a wave three and that we will continue to make higher highs, higher lows on the daily and higher time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I don't have any fib or nothing on here yet because there's no pullback to fib out yet. So I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long now. I definitely wouldn't be going short at all. I will not be taking any shorts whatsoever. But if the market does go down, if and when it goes down, especially if it's a three-way pullback and a Fibonacci retracement bounce with an engulfing move, that is exactly what I would be patiently waiting for more continuations of the uptrend entries. The trend is up on the monthly, the weekly, and the daily. I think it is completely foolish to even try to go short at this point. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpip.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.